Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo Y95 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change font style and font size in Vivo Y95 smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone and now select display and brightness. Just click on display and brightness. And here select font style for changing the style. System default font style will be there. Just click on download more. So you will have more font style here. Just you go to download the selected font style. Just select any font style and you have to click on download button now. And now click on apply button. Wait for a few seconds. Yes, font style has been changed now. If you want to change font size, again go to the settings and display and brightness. And now you have to select font size, and here you can select size from small to X large, that is huge. Here I have selected font size between large and huge. Just select the size and go back to activate. Yes, it is activated. So in this way you can easily customize font style and font size in Vivo Y95 smartphone. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.